Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gathering materials: heavy cardstock, black ink, white paper, a ruler, and a sharp cutter. Lay out the 12 to 15 centimeter card size grid and mark clean 90-degree corners. This keeps edges uniform for viewing. Once done, print or draw pure black shapes on white backgrounds. High contrast stimulates newborn vision. Make sure to produce multiple simple patterns first: large circles, thick stripes, and bold crosses, because newborns respond best to big, clear shapes and stark contrast. Next, you refine and protect the cards. Design 6 to 8 distinct patterns. Think large circles, thick stripes, checkerboard, and simple face outlines. Then size each pattern so some cards are large scale and some medium scale. This helps visual tracking development. Laminate with a matte film to remove glare and trim to a 0.5 centimeter margin so edges are sealed and baby safe. Once laminated, punch a hole or store in a flat box. This preserves contrast and makes cards portable for short viewing sessions. Finally, put the cards into a consistent practice. Show them for 1 to 2 minutes, 2 to 3 times daily, in a calm, well-lit area. Hold the card about 20 to 30 centimeters from the baby's face and move it slowly to the left and right to encourage tracking and focus. If the baby turns away or fusses, make sure not to overstimulate. Reduce contrast or switch to a single simple pattern. Troubleshoot by shortening sessions and checking lighting and card glare until baby engages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.